What's up YouTube? My name is Rohit and I come back with another video. So in today's video we'll see how to print the element of an array in a reverse order. So I will open my dev C++ in which I create a new file with the help of control, and after that we will include our header file, that is hash include IO stream. Alright. After that we will add a line called using namespace std, that is standard. We will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that we will declare our return type, that is int main, round brackets, or you can say a parenthesis. After that I will add the braces, that is the body of a int main function, in which I will return 0, which is the standard value. Okay, I will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that, what we have to do, we will use a data type called int. In int I will make the array of a. I will give the size to the array 5, comma I will make one more variable like I for looping, and I will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that we will run a for loop. So I will add a keyword called for, and I will add two round brackets, in which first we will do the initialization of I. So I equals to 0, semicolon, I is less than equals to 4, semicolon, I का हम करेंगे increment. Alright, after that we will add two braces, which is the body of a for loop. Okay, in which what we will do, we will print output on a screen using cout function. In quotation enter the elements of array. Alright, I will use here a new line character, that is \n, and I will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that, using cin function, I will take the input from the user and I will transfer to the a of I position. Alright, we will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that, what we have to do, we will print another one message on the screen using cout. In quotation elements of array in reverse order is, यहाँ पे हम यूज़ करेंगे \n का. We will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that we will run one more for loop, in which I will do the initialization of I equals to 4, semicolon, I is greater than equals to 0, and हम I का करेंगे decrement, that is I minus. After that I will add two braces. Okay, so in which I have to just print the value of I. So cout, first I will use a new line character, that is handle, or I can simply use \n, both are same, handle and a के I पोजीशन को हम प्रिंट करेंगे. Alright, a के I पोजीशन को. We'll end this line with the help of semicolon. Now my program is ready to run, so I will run this with the help of function of 11. I will give the name to the file called element in reverse order, and I will hit enter. Okay, so you can see the message on a screen, enter the elements of the array. So I will enter 33, 44, 55, 77, 88. So you can see हमने 88 लास्ट में डाला था, बट हमारे आउटपुट में 88 फर्स्ट नंबर पे आया. ओके, सो यू कैन सी द आउटपुट इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. ऑलराइट, हमने यहाँ पे 33 पहले डाला था, प्रिंट हुआ है लास्ट में. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रोग्राम. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, गिव अ बिग थम्स अप. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. टिल देन, पीस आउट.